Welcome to English Listening Podcast. My name is Cody. I am your English coach. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can hear correct pronunciation. You will train your ears and learn to speak English correctly and confidently. Today, we practice ordering coffee and drinks. Imagine you walk into a coffee shop. You see the menu on the wall. You smell fresh coffee. The barista smiles and waits for your order. This is a very common situation. You need to know what to say. You need to sound natural and clear. We will practice real phrases you can use every day. You can repeat this video many times. Listen carefully to every word. Practice until you feel confident. With daily English practice, your natural accent will flow more easily over time. Let's begin with the first situation. You enter the coffee shop. The barista greets you. You need to respond and place your order. Now repeat these sentences with me. Good morning. I would like a coffee, please. Can I have a large cappuccino? I'll take a medium latte. Do you have any iced drinks? I want a hot chocolate today. Can I get an espresso? Now let's talk about choosing the size of your drink. Coffee shops usually offer small, medium, and large sizes. Sometimes they use special names like tall, grande, or venti. But you can always say small, medium, or large. The barista will understand you. You also need to decide if you want your drink hot or cold. In summer, many people choose iced drinks. In winter, hot drinks are more popular. You should practice asking for different sizes and temperatures. This will help you feel comfortable in any coffee shop. Listen and repeat these phrases. I'll have a small coffee, please. Can I get a large iced tea? I want a medium hot chocolate. Do you have a small size for this drink? I'd like a large cappuccino with extra foam. Can I have an iced latte in a medium size? I'll take a small espresso. Give me a large black coffee, please. Next, we practice adding extras to your drink. Many people like to customize their coffee. You can add milk, sugar, or flavor. You can ask for extra shots of espresso. You can request whipped cream on top. Some people prefer their drinks with no sugar. Others want almond milk or oat milk instead of regular milk. It is important to know how to ask for these options. The barista wants to make your drink exactly how you like it. You just need to speak clearly and use simple English. Let's practice asking for extras. Now repeat these sentences with me. Can I have almond milk in my latte? I'd like extra sugar, please. No sugar for me, thank you. Can you add whipped cream on top? I want an extra shot of espresso. Do you have oat milk? I'll take it with regular milk. Can I get caramel syrup in my coffee? I'd like vanilla flavor, please. No milk for me, just black coffee. Now let's practice asking questions about the menu. Sometimes you don't know what to order. You want to learn more about the drinks. You can ask the barista for help. They are happy to explain the menu. You can ask about ingredients. You can ask for recommendations. You can ask about prices. Asking questions is a great way to improve your English speaking practice. It helps you build confidence in English. You learn new vocabulary every time you ask. Don't be afraid to ask. The barista is there to help you. Listen carefully and repeat these questions. What do you recommend? What is the difference between a latte and a cappuccino? Do you have any sugar-free options? How much is a large iced coffee? What flavors do you have? Is this drink very sweet? Can you make it less sweet? Do you have decaf coffee? What is your most popular drink? Can I see the menu, please? Let's move to paying for your order. After you place your order, the barista will tell you the price. You need to understand numbers in English. You also need to know how to pay. You can pay with cash or card. Some coffee shops accept mobile payment. You should ask if you are not sure. It is also polite to say thank you after you pay. Good communication skills make the experience better for everyone. This is part of clear and confident communication. Practice these sentences so you sound natural when you pay. Now repeat these sentences with me. How much is that? Can I pay with card? Do you accept cash? Here is my credit card. Can I use mobile payment? Do you take Apple Pay? Keep the change. Thank you very much. Have a great day. I appreciate your help. Now we practice waiting for your drink and picking it up. After you pay, the barista will prepare your drink. Sometimes they call your name. Sometimes they call out the drink order. You need to listen carefully. When your drink is ready, you go to the counter. You pick up your drink and check if it is correct. If something is wrong, you can politely ask them to fix it. This is normal, and the staff will help you. Being polite and clear helps you get exactly what you want. These phrases will help you in this situation. Listen and repeat these sentences. Is this my drink? I ordered a latte with almond milk. This is not what I ordered. Can you check my order, please? I think there was a mistake. Can you remake this for me? This is perfect. Thank you. Excuse me, I'm still waiting for my drink. How long will it take? Thank you for fixing that. Let's practice ordering drinks other than coffee. Coffee shops sell many different beverages. You can order tea, juice, smoothies, or milkshakes. You can order hot drinks or cold drinks. Some people don't drink coffee at all. They prefer other options. It is important to know how to order these drinks too. The process is very similar to ordering coffee. You choose the drink. You choose the size. You add any extras you want. Then you pay and wait. Practicing these phrases will improve your English pronunciation and help you speak English clearly in many situations. Now repeat these sentences with me. I'd like a green tea, please. Can I have a fruit smoothie? I want a fresh orange juice. Do you have herbal tea? I'll take a chocolate milkshake. Can I get an iced tea with lemon? I'd like a chai latte. Do you have any cold drinks? I want a strawberry smoothie. Can I have a hot tea with honey? Now let's practice some polite expressions and small talk. When you order drinks, you can have a short, friendly conversation. This is part of daily English practice. Small talk helps you connect with people. It makes you feel more comfortable speaking English. You can comment on the weather. You can compliment the coffee shop. You can thank the barista for their service. These small moments build your confidence in English. They help you practice personal growth and communication skills. Every conversation is a chance to improve. Listen and repeat these friendly phrases. This place smells amazing. I love the atmosphere here. Your coffee is always so good. It's a beautiful day today. Thank you for your excellent service. I really enjoy coming here. You make the best lattes. Have a wonderful day. See you next time. I'll be back soon. We have practiced many useful phrases today. You learned how to order coffee and drinks with confidence. You practiced asking questions. You practiced adding extras to your order. You practiced paying and picking up your drink. You also practiced polite expressions and small talk. All of these phrases will help you in real-life situations. Remember that English listening practice and English speaking practice work together. The more you listen, the better you speak. I encourage you to watch this video many times. Repeat the phrases until they feel natural. Practice every day and you will see progress. Your pronunciation will improve. Your confidence will grow. Every video you watch contributes to your English learning and pronunciation training. Please subscribe so you don't miss any future practice sessions. I upload new videos regularly to help you with daily English practice. I want to know what you would like to work on next. Please leave a comment and tell me what topics interest you. I read all the comments and I am here for you. Thank you for practicing with me today. Keep working on your English. Stay consistent and you will achieve your goals. I believe in you. See you in the next lesson. This is Cody, your English coach. Keep practicing and keep improving. Goodbye for now.